Welcome back to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco has garnered a range of user reviews, highlighting its practicality, performance, and areas for improvement. Here's a curated selection of user experiences. Positive reviews. Fuel efficient and cost-saving. Users appreciate the Eeco's consistent mileage, making it economical for daily commutes and long drives. Its fuel efficiency ensures fewer stops at the pump, contributing to cost savings. Spacious and practical, the Eeco's roomy interior comfortably accommodates families, with ample boot space for luggage or groceries. Its design caters to both personal and commercial use, offering versatility in seating and cargo arrangements. Easy to drive. Drivers find the Eeco handles well in city traffic, with user-friendly controls and light steering. Its compact size facilitates hassle-free parking, making it suitable for urban environments. Reliable performance. The Eeco starts reliably, even in cold conditions, with a responsive engine and comfortable suspension. Users trust its durability for various driving needs. Practical design. Features like sliding doors enhance convenience, especially in tight parking spaces. The flexible seating arrangement allows for increased cargo space when necessary, catering to diverse user requirements. Areas for improvement. Safety features. Some users express concerns about the Eeco's limited safety features, noting the absence of advanced systems. While it provides basic protection with seat belts and airbags, there's a desire for enhanced safety measures. Comfort levels. Feedback indicates that the Eeco's comfort could be improved, particularly regarding seating ergonomics and ride quality over longer distances. Passengers have noted discomfort during extended journeys. Performance under load. When fully loaded, some users report a noticeable lag in performance, suggesting that the engine may struggle under maximum capacity. This has raised concerns about its suitability for heavy-duty use. Lack of advanced features. The Eeco lacks modern amenities such as a touchscreen infotainment system, power steering, and advanced driver assistance features, which are becoming standard in this segment. Users seeking contemporary conveniences may find this lacking. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco is lauded for its practicality, fuel efficiency, and spaciousness, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious families and commercial use. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limited safety features and lack of modern amenities. Considering these factors in relation to individual needs and priorities is essential when evaluating the Eeco as a vehicle option. For a visual review and more insights into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco, you might find the following video helpful.